Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, Tammy Thompson/TVMG. I have a fun series coming up for you all, and today this video is going to be the first part of this series. So this series is basically me decorating and designing my own apartment. So I will be showing you guys the trials and tribulations of, what you go through when you're doing a design. And although I can't tear out any walls or do anything like that, I can still show you guys how I measure. So if I come out to your home, it's the same way I measure at your home. I'm going to show you how I measure, how I plan for different pieces of furniture, how I plan for colors and different things like that. So I'm going to show you the whole gambit, the good, the bad, and the ugly. So I just wanted to come on and let you guys know that I have a series. This is what it's going to be. So my first step in this series, which is going to be on this video, is I'm going to kind of show you guys what I'm working with. A lot of people always ask me how my home looks when I'm not doing tablescapes and different things like that. And it's not always together. It's definitely not together right now, but I'm going to actually flip the camera and let you guys see what my dining room is currently looking like. So here we go. So there's a lot of things going on in my dining room right now. There's a lot of stuff on my little buffet. I have dirty rugs in the middle of the floor right now because my husband was mopping the bathroom earlier. I have a rug that I have not taken out of the plastic because I wanted to show you guys, my plan and my process. I have clothes in here, cigarettes, more clothes, shoes. There's a lot going on. And of course, my living room is almost clean. I got a hamper out here. My table is still lightly decorated. A lot of the things I've put up. I have Christmas wrap in the corner, and here are some of my items from decorating. So this is where I put them normally when I'm doing a tablescape. I just kind of put them off to the side. There's my glue gun. There's some water for plants that are not growing, so I'm probably going to throw the plants out. Here's some more stuff. Here's some new Christmas artwork that I have. I have quite a few pieces. So my dining room is in a complete shambles, as you can see. So the first thing that I'm going to start off with is the measuring. I've already selected some color. As you can see with the rug, I've already selected my rug for the dining room, and I've selected a color that's actually going to match with this picture here. And you'll see it after I paint it. That'll be a different video. But the first video after this one that's going to come up is going to be basically me measuring and me starting to plan out the sizes of everything that I need and getting a plan together of what I need to purchase. So I've already, like I said, I've already purchased my rug. My rug was, I think it was $279. So $279 plus tax. My paint, because I got a smaller can, I'm only going to do the one wall. That was $11.64, I believe. So I have to keep those things in mind. My budget for the entire dining room, and to some of you it may seem crazy, but I know how much furniture costs. I know how much paint, rugs, a good rug, all of these different things, I know how much they cost. Now the rug that I have, it's not thick, and it's not made of wool. I think it's like a wool poly blend. But the reason why it costs so much is because of the size. So it's a 10 by 13 size rug. So that's why it cost as much as it did. It's going to be a thinner rug. And the reason for that is because I'm in a dining room. So I'm going to need to be able to lift stains out of the rug as you saw with the rug, it's a little multicolored, so you won't be able to see all the stains, but I need to be able to lift the stains easily. And if you get a thicker rug, then it goes into the fibers, and then it goes into the part that is underneath, the acrylic that's underneath, and I don't want to have to go through that and deal with that. So basically what's going to happen is I'm just going to show you guys me measuring and me space planning with the type of table I'm going to get. I know a lot of you love this this wooden table. I'm going to do one plan with the wooden table in it, and then I'm going to do another one with the table that I would like to purchase. There's one that I would like to purchase, but I'm going to look for another one just in case. And then I'll show you the different options that I've selected for the space. So really the only thing that's going to change in here is I'm going to have a rug on the floor, which I had one before. You may have seen it in some of my older videos. I had a rug in here, and now it's in the office, which that one will change. That one will go into the living room, and then we're getting a new one for the office and a new one for the bedroom. All of the stuff that's on the window seat is going to come off, and we're just going to clean up the dining room. I'm going to buy doors for my IKEA bookcase so that it can actually look like a buffet style cabinet, and I also want them to protect my chargers, and I'm gonna get some drawers as well so I can put my gold flatware in the drawers out here, because that's probably what I'll use more so for holidays and different things like that. So I have different plans in my mind, and I already know what the measurements are for the room, but I wanted to show you guys me measuring, and also me painting the wall. And so you can see, like I said, the good, the bad, the ugly. I'm a horrible painter, so this should be fun. This will be a good laugh for you guys, which is different for my channel. And then me putting up the artwork, picking some other artwork to go on this window, the window seat wall, because it's kind of blank. I may actually wind up painting that wall as well, but I want to see how I feel about it on this one wall by itself first. So I hope you guys like this series. Once I get done with the dining room, we'll talk about if I went over budget. But my budget for the dining room is $1,500, because I know I have to get a new table and some extra pieces. So it's $1,500 for the dining room. I want to also get a floor lamp for in here, because I don't like the ceiling fan. The wiring is messed up on it. So and I don't want my husband to change it to a chandelier like he did in our old apartment. I don't want him to have to do that again. So I'm just gonna get like like I said, just a floor lamp. But yeah, there's gonna be some changes in here, so you'll see that. Like I said, you'll see me painting. Once this coronavirus situation is all over, you may see me go into a store, but for now you'll just watch me like look for things on the internet. You'll see me doing the floor plans, so I'll put in like the walls and all of that stuff, and then I'll kind of make a space for where everything's gonna go. So you'll see that, and just basically see me do a full clean of the dining room, because we haven't had it clean 100% since we moved in like 4 years ago. So you guys, make sure you like the video, share the video, comment below, and subscribe to my channel. Also hit that bell, and from what I understand, you have to hit the bell twice now, and you'll be notified every time I upload new videos, and you don't want to miss this series. After I'm done with the dining room, we are going to the bedroom, and let me just tell you, our bedroom is a complete mess. It's really small, so that one should be a fun one as well. So make sure that you subscribe and you hit the bell so that you'll know every time I upload a new video during this series, and when I'm doing tablescapes and other things too. So you guys, until next time, bye.